Hello there, very good morning to you. Hope your week is going well. So a little bit overcast and drizzly this morning, but it is an improving situation throughout today. And for the outlook, sunny spells and a few showers around, quite breezy at times, and temperatures rising fairly significantly as we head through Sunday into Monday and Tuesday. But rewinding to the next few hours, we have the remnants of a front over us at the moment, cloud and some outbreaks of rain, which are slowly pushing away to the east as the afternoon wears on. So you can see skies brightening across the Isle of Man and from the west through the day. Maybe just one or two isolated showers around, but becoming largely dry into the latter part of the afternoon. Top temperatures around 23, that's 73 Fahrenheit at best, but still a little bit gusty over higher ground, the tops of hills, gusts of 25, 30 miles an hour. One or two showers may continue this evening, but largely turning drier overnight. We've got just a little bit of dampness up over the Lake District there, an odd glancing shower, but temperatures generally holding up overnight and remaining breezy, although temperatures and also those winds seeming to drop a little further inland. And then tomorrow there should be a very decent amount of brightness developing into the afternoon, lengthy spells of sunshine, still quite breezy out there though, and over the weekend one or two showers, but temperatures beginning to rise towards the end of it. Hello there, it's an improving situation today weather-wise. It was a bit overcast earlier on, but opening up to sunny spells and scattered showers this afternoon. Still quite breezy, and this is the case over the next few days, but temperatures rising as we head through the weekend, but more on that later today. For the rest of this afternoon, as I say, some decent spells of sunshine opening up, highs of 23, that's 73, but still a little bit breezy over the tops of hills with gusts of 25, 30 miles an hour. Some late evening sunshine on offer, one or two glancing showers, but largely dry overnight tonight, and tomorrow a much brighter day compared to today, but with one or two showers still in the mix, but generally a lot of sunshine. Bye-bye. And berries are everywhere you look at the moment, ripening nicely in the hedgerow, but will there be more sunshine to help them on their way? All the details coming up shortly. Hello there, I do hope you've had a good day. So we're nearly there, it's nearly weekend time. This morning, rather cloudy, it brightened up later. Sunny spells and showers going forward over the next few days, and it will be quite breezy from time to time, especially over higher ground, but temperatures will be rising, and that's because by Sunday we start to find ourselves with this kind of a setup. Low pressure up to the northwest, the air circulating anti-clockwise around it. High pressure to the southeast, the air circulating clockwise around that, and that combination is drawing up this warm air from the south. But this low is a little bit more complex than it appears. It's the remains of tropical storm Dexter, which actually splits into two lows, but more on that in just a moment. So over the next few hours, some good late sunshine on offer, maybe an odd glancing shower, especially up over Cumbria, and stay mostly dry overnight, just a bit breezy. The winds easing down across the mainland, but across the Isle of Man through the Irish Sea still a little bit breezy. Then we're into Friday, weekend is knocking, sun's up at 5:36, and first thing tomorrow it's going to be a lot brighter than it was today. First thing, one or two isolated showers, but isolated rather than scattered. Mostly dry, temperatures similar to today's, around 22, maybe pushing 23 Celsius, 73 Fahrenheit, but it will be a little bit breezier. However, that could be compensated, hopefully, by the sunshine. And then as we head through the weekend, we've got some showers on that frontal system on Saturday. And this is the remains of the ex-tropical storm Dexter, which splits into two lows. I think it's mostly going to affect Northern Ireland and also parts of Scotland. But we're still mostly going to be under the influence of the low pressure. A few scattered showers on Saturday, dropping south. Fine on Sunday, but the temperatures really start to kick in and kick up on Monday. That's it. Bye-bye. Hello there, hope you enjoyed today. It's going to be a pretty fine day tomorrow, lots more sunshine around than today, a little bit breezier however, and this is the setup over the next few days. Sunny spells and scattered showers, temperatures rising, and that's certainly from Sunday into Monday. I don't think temperatures really see an uptick until Monday itself though, when we could be around about 25 Celsius. Over the next few hours however, skies clear, an odd glancing shower through parts of Cumbria especially, but mostly dry overnight. Slightly lighter winds the further south you are, but through the Irish Sea it could be a little bit livelier. Then we're into Friday, nearly the weekend. Sun's up at 5:36, sets at 5 to 9 in the evening. And tomorrow there'll be a lot more sunshine from the word go than there was today. An odd glancing isolated shower rather than the scattered showers we had today. And also lots of lengthy spells of sunshine opening up into the afternoon. Much drier than today, and so actually hopefully the dryness and the sunnier weather will compensate for these slightly breezier winds, tops of 22 Celsius. Could be some scattered showers dropping southwards on Saturday, but also some sunny spells too. Sunday mostly fine, and then the temperatures start to rise through into Monday. That's it. Bye-bye.